Hello my gems, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Aditi and today we'll be reviewing the Lakme 905 Matte Foundation. It is a good foundation. This is the foundation that I'm wearing now, and if you want to know what the pros and cons of this foundation, kindly keep on watching. If you did bump on this channel for the very first time, hi, my name is Aditi. I post content every week and I would like to request you to hit the subscribe button. I will really love to have you as one of my gems. Keep on watching. So 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Guys, so let's begin. So this is the product. This is what the packaging looks like. ये मेरे को at least 15 days पहले deliver हो चुका है. Even I have made a Nykaa haul. If you didn't watch it, kindly do watch it. So it comes in a glass tube, which is not a travel friendly option. Since it came in a glass tube, ये उतना travel friendly नहीं होगा. Product जैसे कि इसमें जैसे आता है वो बहुत travel friendly होता है, टूटने का डर नहीं होता है. Such kind of products we need to be very careful because टूटने का डर बहुत रहता है. This in the shade N330. The name of the shade is Neutral Almond and I feel कि ये match करेगा because it is one of the darkest shade and actually I got it online. So online में shade match करना बहुत मुश्किल है, but I think I have a vibe that it will match. So I didn't even open it. So let's first open it. So this is what the packaging looks like, inner packaging. So this is a matte bottle. It's written like primer plus matte फाउंडेशन एंड कंपनी क्लेम्स दैट ये प्राइमर और फाउंडेशन का काम करता है, दोनों का काम करता है. इसमें इनबिल्ट प्राइमर है. सो आई डोंट नो हाउ मच इट इज़. इसमें फर्स्ट टाइम यूजिंग एन लैक्मे 925 foundation, this foundation, so I'm not really sure of it. And this is actually my holy grail foundation. I always use Maybelline 330 Toffee just because I got my shade there. So let's see if it is nice, if it gives us a good coverage or not. Best thing about is that it comes with an inbuilt SPF 20. It comes with the inbuilt SPF of SPF 20, so I like it. And it is a matte foundation. It's not a glossy foundation, so it has all the pro points that I prefer when I look for my foundation. A natural flawless finish. It says it gives you a perfect coverage and also it is very long lasting. It gives us a medium to high coverage. So basically हम लोग इसको build कर सकते हैं, double layer करके build कर. ₹100 you are getting 25 ml. For 300 to 400 rupees you are getting 25 ml, which is a good amount. I think this will last you for at least 6 months. It will last me for at least 6 months. And if you wear foundation every day, so it may last you a little bit less, but मेरे लिए तो 6 महीने आराम से चल जाएगा. It is written like 475 rupees and I am pretty sure that you will get it in 400, 450 or even less in various offers that comes on Nykaa, Purple or Amazon. So yeah, let's open it and see what's inside. एप्लीकेटर लुक्स लाइक दिस. मुझे लगता है अगर एप्लीकेटर पंप होता, मतलब द वन दैट इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन फिटमी नायका सॉरी Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the pump system would be much more convenient. So applicator I don't think is really convenient, and even it is not that good. It can come off and I really don't prefer this. I feel बहुत सारे products waste होने के chances रहता है, और अगर pump होता तो बहुत ही easily application हो जाता और कोई दिक्कत भी नहीं होता. But now let's finally try this on. First of all, it's written like it's with primer. It has inbuilt primer, so I'll apply this on this side raw, and in this side I'll apply the primer first and then I'll go for the foundation just to see if it's really inbuilt primer and it does make even any difference or not. Primer I'm using is from Blue Heaven Flawless Primer. So just take a little bit amount, a coin sized amount, and just apply it. डोंट गेट, मैं जब भी शूट करने का कोशिश करती हूँ या फिर कुछ भी सोचती हूँ, आई गेट ए इंस्टेंट पिम्पल. It's not visible, but still it is here. And also I got a pimple here. I don't know if it's visible or not, but it is here. Thankfully it is not visible, but it is here. And I really don't like applying makeup on pimples, but here we are. I wanted to do it, so I'll do it. So now let's apply this. So I think it's my shade. I can blend it up easily. So first of all we'll apply on this side and then we'll move to this side. So I'll be blending my foundation using a Dab Beauty blender. Product gives you a sheer to medium coverage in one go, not like very high coverage, but I like this coverage because it looks a little bit natural also. So now let's just apply on this side without the primer. पता नहीं ऐसे लगाने से लगता है ना कि ये मेरा शेड ही नहीं है, बट द मोमेंट आई स्टार्ट ब्लेंडिंग इट ब्लेंड्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल्ली. एंड आई फील ना कि ये थोड़ा सा लाइट है, बट आई एम नॉट इवन श्योर इफ इट इज़, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक आई हैव मिक्स फीलिंग्स लाइक ये मेरा शेड है कि नहीं है. See, now you cannot even tell that this is not my shade or if this is my shade, because I can easily fix it. Slightly medium coverage if you like to go for natural cover foundation or like sheer cover or medium cover foundation, then you can surely go for this. But if you prefer high coverage foundation, then this is not the one for you maybe, or maybe you can even build it. So let's try out building it by just applying one more layer. ऑनेस्टली मैं कभी भी एक लेयर के ऊपर नहीं लगाई हूँ, बट टुडे इज़ अ न्यू डे. लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. When I started now, I thought this is not a good applicator, but now I feel this is really useful. But this is also not useful because बहुत सारे products बाहर गिर रहे हैं. So yeah, it becomes a little bit untidy for me, but let's do it. इसका ना फ्लोई कंसिस्टेंसी है, मतलब ये रुकता नहीं है, मतलब अगर लगा के छोड़ दिया ना तो वो नीचे गिर जाएगा. बट Maybelline Fit Me का फ्लोई कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है. सो या so it is right, it is a buildable foundation. Now you can see the coverage is way higher than the first one. So yeah, actually I don't prefer so much coverage, but I don't think after that we need even concealer to conceal our eyes because it's almost done. So this is a great thumbs up. And for the primer thing, I feel ना कि ठीक है, it's fine because this side is not with primer, this side is with primer, but you cannot even feel the difference. Even I cannot feel the difference. It is so lightweight. It is a very lightweight foundation, so I think you should definitely give it a try. If means it's nice, and I am having oily skin, I sweat a lot, and I am sitting here without a fan or AC, just so I think this is a quite nice foundation. This is my good to go foundation because it is very lightweight. The only one thing I don't like about it is applicator. It wastes a lot of product, and moreover it makes the bottle looks dirty, and I really don't like it. I like it to keep it clean. So yeah, I won't mind if it has a pump and I pump it out and then apply it. It would be convenient and even cleaner. Other than that, this is a very nice product. It is not really travel friendly. You cannot travel with this, sorry to say, but you can travel with this. You can work and have a makeup pouch and everything, but I think this type of foundation tubes would be much more convenient than this type. So now let's just complete our face makeup and let's see what our end result look like. Not apply contour or anything, just bake my face using the Fit Me foundation, not foundation, sorry, Fit Me compact powder in the shade Toffee 330. Now just bake our face. I'll be applying the Lakme blush. What the end result look like of using this foundation, because I have done just nothing, मैं बस थोड़ा सा set कर ली using a compact, and then I have just applied lipstick and that's it. And you can easily you can invest in it. To be very honest, this foundation worth your money, but you can see the mess it is creating. Other than that, this is the only cons you can say. Foundation has a wide range because बहुत सारे ऐसे brands हैं जहाँ पर you will not get your right shade. Even the dusky skin tone face little bit more problem or much problem that they don't get their shade, but this has a quite a good number of shade, and then it is a lightweight foundation. Even you will not feel like you're wearing something or something. It will not make you feel heavy on your skin, to be very honest. And then it comes with SPF. This is a one benefit, and the another benefit is that it is not making me sweat. So it is not making me sweat. I really love it because the moment I wear any foundation, it just make me feel कि कितना गर्मी है, पसीना पसीना पसीना, and then all drains off. But this is something different. I like this one, to be very honest. It's my honest review of this. I'm telling you, repeating this again. Please change your applicator. Please change the applicator process like me. Please, please. Other than that, your product is really bomb, so I love it. This is it for this video. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked anything with the video, hit the like button, also the subscribe button, and kindly comment down below what you want to see me reviewing next in my upcoming videos. Bye my gems, see you next time.